Hello my people, in this video we will see how to send a photo or video in a TikTok message. The first pass and the most important is open the app, in this case TikTok. And the next step is we go to the inbox here. Click and then next you click in a chat, in this case this. We will see three uh, 3 points. The first, a sticker, say hi by sending a sticker, and shared post. This is the most important. Back and next we go to the this plus. Click here and take a photo. This, for example, this charger. And next you go or you tap click in your history. Click here and click in the 3 points. Next you go to send to Tony Live, for example, and message sent. Back and go to the inbox and go to Tony Lifestyle and write. That's all for this video. If you liked the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time.